Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by acting with admin rights. This task requires elevations, so sign in to an admin account. Once ready, press Start, type, create a restore point, and open that control panel entry. You will land on the System Properties dialog. Focus on the System Protection tab. Make sure the drive you want protected shows protection, on or off. If off, you'll enable it next. This step positions you to configure and create a point immediately without unnecessary detours. You now enable protection and choose how much space Windows can use. Select the system drive, click Configure, and toggle Turn on System Protection. Then adjust the max usage slider to something like 3 to 10% depending on disk size. This determines how many restore points will be retained. Once configured, click Apply, then OK, so Windows starts creating automatic points. Make sure you understand why space limits matter. Older points get purged when the quota fills, so you finish by making a manual restore point for immediate rollback capability. Click Create, type a clear name with date and reason, then confirm. Windows will create the snapshot in moments. Once done, verify the new entry appears with a current timestamp in the protection list. If creation fails, free disk space first, then run sfc/scano or dism to repair system files and retry. If you still see errors, check Event Viewer for a specific error code to guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.